Hi Miss, I'm Rochelle Alfarque from BIP 2B. First is using system. Using system is a library of a code. Second is class program or class tax calculator. Class tax calculator is declare a class name tax calculator in object-oriented programming. Classes are blueprints or creating objects. This class will contain the logic for calculating taxes. Third is static void main. Static void main, this is the main method, the entry point of a program. So, the fourth one is bool continue calculating. So, this line is declare a boolean variable name continue calculating and initialize is it is true. So this variable control the loop and allows the user to perform multiple tax calculations. So fifth is while open parentheses continue calculating close parentheses. This line is start a while loop. The code inside the loop will execute repeatedly as long as the continue calculating variable is true. So sixth line is console.write enter the item price. So this line is display a message on the console prompting the user to enter the item price. So console.write display text moving the cursor to the next line. So seventh is decimal price equals convert the two decimal open parentheses console that red line close parentheses. So this line is read the input from the user, which is the item price using console red line. Console red line returns a string. So, ang convert to decimal, convert the input string to a decimal data type, which is stable to representing monetary values accurately. The converted value is the star in the price variable. So, eighth line is console write open parenthesis enter the sales tax rate as a percentage close parenthesis. So this line is read the tax rate from the user input and convert it to a decimal, storing it in the tax rate variables. So next line is 10 line is decimal tax amount equals price tax rate and 100. This line is calculate the tax amount and divided the tax rate by 100 to convert the percentage to a decimal and the multiplies it by the price. The result is stored in the tax amount variable. So, muna siya i-divide siya, tas i-divide kay sa percentage to a decimal, then i-multiply siya by the price na sa pan. So, next is decimal total price equals price plus tax amount. So, this line calculates the total price by adding the price and the tax amount. The result is stored in the total price variable. So, next, 12 is console.write line tax amount F2. So this line display the calculated tax amount on the console. The string interpolation which allow you to embed variables and directly into string nya. Ang F2 niya kay formats the amount to 2 decimal places, which is standard practice for currency. 13 kay console right line. Total price including tax o total price F2. This line display the total price also formatted to 2 decimal places. Siya 2 decimal places. So next, console that right. Do you want to calculate tax for another item? So ang kana siya nga line kay this line asks the user iyang gipangutana if they want to perform another calculation. So suppose they want mo perform pa siya another calculation. Next is char answer equals console read k open and close parentheses nya dot k char. So that line is, this line reads a single character from the user input without encoding it to the console because of read k. Read char get the actual character, press the character is stored in the answer variable. So siya press niya yung character yung mga answer sa variable. Console that right line ko. This add a new line to the console for better readability. Next is continue calculating equals answer equals. This line update the continue calculating variable. It will be true if the user enter y or y nga dako or y nga gamay, meaning they want to continue, and false otherwise niya. Next, console that right line. Thank you for using the tax calculator. So gigamit na to ang tax calculator. So this line is execute after the loop finish when continue calculating because false. So more ito po na itong gigamit kay gumikan nga false siya. It display a thank you message. So na dapat ma-display siya sa thank you message niya. Next is close bracket na ta. This closing curly brace or brace station. The end of main method in the tax calculator class. Thank you. This is the final output of my code.